Uh, Good day, good Beatle day. I can't believe this, but I've got some breaking news. It will blow your mind. And the Beatles never broke up. Now, the reason I can say this, I've got some newly discovered extended play records here, and the extended play is called The Beatles Chemistry Every Day. Now I'll be releasing these on my show or doing a whole broadcast on it, but the titles we have here, and this appears that it was done maybe late 70s, and these songs were never released. Now I've had to listen to them, and it's all the boys in the band. It's definitely the Beatles, and the songs we got here are "Oh Yoko, Please Don't Sing." That's a tribute to John's Japanese wife. "Fun Together," a tribute to the Beach Boys. "All Those Queers Ago," obviously they were big Queen fans and Elton John fans. "Melter Skelter." You know, the Beatles were very hip to environmental causes long before the Amazon rainforest fires. And the last track is "War Isn't Over." You know, the boys are still relevant today, and like I said, the Beatles didn't break up, and I will be doing a whole show about this new Beatles Unearthed extended play vinyl. The Beatles, Chemistry Every Day. Peace out from Canada. Yeah, yeah, yeah.